diving service here at Gelatin Creek Marina, slip W89. We are at this vessel and going to do an inspection just to see how she looks. I don't know when she was cleaned last, but we're gonna take a look and see. I do have a brush. I do have a very, very soft abrasive. I do have scrapers. I do have my gloves. Just gonna take a look and a swipe and see what we got. Right. She's just a maintenance cleaner. Just to clean sample areas. This brush is very light, very non-abrasive. The green one I have in here, well, hold on. Well, I carry green ones too. They're highly abrasive. My glove did a pretty good job. The scraper did a pretty good job. And I use the brush, which also did a good job. Not seeing a ton of shedding on the paint. Looks like you guys did a good job. We can definitely clean her for you. Those anodes, those shafts, once I beat on them with a tool and clean them, they're going to be much smaller. Thank you for choosing the